Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the GC8 build. Today we're going to try do some work. Today we're going to try take the engine out in it, Bucket.
Yeah.
So let's see what goes on today. Bucket, let me in.
Huh?
Let me in.
I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake.
Pass me 40 bill ratchet. Not ratchet, but like spanner one.
English, motherfucker, do you speak it? Yes.
No, ratchet was one.
Oh, fucking idiot.
Shaking a few of the nuts and bolts off and then we're ready to let the engine out. Inshallah. This guy's scared to be on YouTube. He's put his hood up and everything.
I'm sick. Give me 10 million.
Spanner or ratchet?
Is that not a small gun?
Those are ratchet then.
It is a ratchet.
But your explanation is not good.
Let's move on.
Because does it ratchet?
Huh?
Does it ratchet?
There's a ratchet.
Then it's a ratchet, isn't it?
It's electric
Does this ratchet?
It's a wrench.
Does this ratchet?
Yeah. It's a wrench.
Does this ratchet?
Yeah.
Exactly. So how do I know you want that?
So I said the gun.
It's not still not a gun though, is it?
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
The gun's there.
That's a gun. All the gun, you know.
Guns are wrong. Alright, son.
How you doing, mate?
Alright, mate. Seen better days. Today I just can't be asked doing anything. My day off. It's on Monday. The bank holiday. And we're gonna struggle with this. Bro, you know I don't like doing manual labour, innit?
You need to do it. You need to learn.
Bro, I know how to fucking do it, I just can't be asked. You know what McCullough's doing when he's working? That's all he does, bro.
Gives him an extra
Give him extra,
power.
he gets boost off it. He builds a nitrous off it. Bucket, can you explain what you're doing?
How do we get to the gearbox?
Sorry guys, we've not really been doing much recording on this car. We've just, to be honest with you, we've done most of the work with off camera and then we have on camera. So yeah, sorry about that guys, but we'll try be as serious as possible. I know our first video wasn't as serious. There's nothing to do with Subaru. But yeah, so we're gonna try be as serious as possible now.
What lying for?
Bucket, you little slithering snake. You go anywhere, you. Especially with them sexy legs. Innit, lad? Go on, slide in there, lad. Look at that. Look at that. Bucket, you know you should have been an athlete. Not a mechanic.
What inside threes?
Tiny legs. Tiny feet for a big man. What you doing over there, lad?
Fucking trying to take this rust bucket apart.
This rust bucket? How dare you, bro? It's brand new, this. This is left the showroom, bro. That's why it just needs a bit of a wash, that's it. It's collected a bit of dust.
Pass me the Milwaukee.
You slithering snake.
I'm a snake.
On a gun.
Huh?
On the gun.
Yeah.
Oops.
How much was it on a plastic? How's your Honda doing?
It's going very.
Is it? When that?
Honda's going gay, 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 gay,
It's
gay,
going.
gay. Shut up.
What are you singing, Becca?
Huh?
Are you singing?
Some song.
What song
It's
is
called,
that?
what was it called again? That Eddie that song?
Fall back.
Yeah, Fallback, that's it, bad track.
You fucking bad.
Just mama.
You're gonna become a singer, yeah?
No.
Huh?
Fuck you, me and sing now. Fuck it be a flop.
Because what car did you song? What song did your car sing when you press sport?
Huh?
When you press sport on your Civic? Oh no, what happened there, lad?
I got gearbox oil in my eye.
You want biscuits?
The fuck is that? Shit! I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town. Shit flying in my mouth. The fuck? I can't see pollen. Let's get the fuck out this country, motherfucker. I can't even see me.
Get some tissue, please, rapid!
You want biscuits or?
No, do you want biscuits?
I'm not ready.
I'm alright then.
Give me a Phillips or something.
Are you sure you need a Phillips?
Yeah, I need some tin to like push that pin out. Well, that's fucking long, innit?
You said you wanted
a
long.
smaller one than that.
Well, tell me innit, but girl. What you need, you tell me you need a Phillips.
Yeah.
Complains about this now, watch. Yeah.
That's too small. Cousin, pass me a bigger screw. Should a bit bigger than that.
I'm gonna smash his head in real fast.
But can you explain this noise that you're making?
We're good.
I got it from Wakky.
Shut the fuck up.
Every time when you used to go on do something on the car, you used to be like,
Is that one alright?
Too big. We'll be taking dry shaft
Oh,
out.
the pin. Yeah. It's coming out, you know. I can see it moving up. Do you take it out from the top or the bottom?
I do it.
Okay, you just got to hammer it a bit more harder, lad.
Try turning a bit.
There we go. There we go. Yep, I got it. Pinna! Butt plug. No, but they're all the same size.
You won't touch me the light.
I should have brought my torch from home, innit?
Idi, I tell you every time, Idi. When we working on cars.
Archie was going to bring it today, you know.
The big
Oh, gas. We're definitely setting someone on fire today.
Bonfire night.
It's gonna be bonfire night in May.
Bonfire night,
Scooby bomb. Look, have you tried long nose pliers?
Huh?
Have you tried long nose pliers? Try pulling it out with this. From the other side now, innit?
See if it does.
Finished?
Yeah.
Switch it off, switch it off, switch it off.
What?
Switch it off fully.
No, it's not finished.
Try with this bugger now.
That's it here now.
Is it?
Can't tell. No, not working in it. Not enough grip.
It was coming out before, you know.
Yeah, it wasn't, then it stops. Idi, too lad marna. Yes, yes. Right there.
It's not.
Perfect, yeah. Oh my. Oh, so big.
He was like fucking doing car videos or something.
Okay, just keep going. Just don't stop. Look, you know how he's doing it before? Do it like that. Yep, keep going, keep going. It's literally right. It's about to pop out.
But he goes, for the last 10 minutes, he said it's popping out. He goes, I might pop out.
Popped.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Is it?
It's really hot, innit?
You burn yourself.
No.
I'm a slithering snake. Now this.
Push the engine on there.
Let me pump the engine up now.
Alright.
And then we can tilt it in it.
Give me that, give me that small ratchet gun.
Yeah.
With the 17 on it. Stop.
Yeah? Good off. Small ratchet gun. The small Milwaukee
Yeah.
with the 17 on it.
Yeah.
Small 17. Or big
But
17. Long 17.
I think I've got to use the longer, yeah.
You get that?
Yeah.
You know what I hate doing? You know what I hate? Manual labor, bro. Look at my hands. I'm supposed to be a clean guy here. And these lot made me filthy. I give up. They took everything. They've left me with a color moon and a color too.
Pass me extension. Medium size one.
That's good.
Listen,
Where they give him that?
just contemplating life.
Ooh, I heard that little ripple.
Back pressure.
Back pressure.
Doing a DPF regen down there or something. Pra like yeah.
The diff is opening up.
GTR parts.
DSG parts.
So all that hard work just for the bolt to get rounded off.
You know what you done? You tightened it, innit? You didn't listen to it.
He did it laughing. That's what he does, isn't it? You know what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to use the ratchet before you use it.
Well, it's not my car, so it's alright.
Don't worry, but when you come to your car, watch our Titan dial out everything, bro.
No one, when I work on my car, no one touches it.
Watch.
Because I can't wait for your Civic build, bro. I'm gonna fuck everything up. I'm gonna smash every door.
But do you not know the difference between tightening and loosening? Engine bar kadi karna hai. So loose the tight ka nahi pata.
Oh
Tight.
shit, the bolt snapped. Because you're gonna have to get it re-threaded, you know.
I'm not asked about rethreading. I just want the engine out. Then you can rethread whatever the fuck you wanna rethread.
No, this one is totally gone.
So just fucking slap it off fully then innit and get the engine out.
It's not letting me take it fully out.
How have you snapped it?
Try and shit the gear bastard.
Here you go.
What's that for?
That's the gearbox.
That!
Yeah. Let me. Iddy,
And he said he
give
snapped
me all
it.
these twos.
Bro. So we've just come back. And the great British weather had to rain, didn't it? We've had sun all morning. We thought we'd start a bit late because it's a bit hot. and now is absolutely hammering it down. This is why you don't become mechanics if you don't know what the fuck you're doing. 3 of us don't have a fucking idea. YouTuber Vincent.
So the angle of the fraction is no longer available.
Are you ready for this? This bad boy whip, mate. Just bought a new car from dealership. Let me show you the new whip in it from dealers. What is it? The heart. 0 miles, full dealer service history. He's been serviced 20 times, but he's got 0 miles on it. Audi RS Q7.
Got a bit of raindrops as well.
On the roof spec. Yeah. It's got the bad boy off-road tyres on it. Do whatever you want. Bowsprung edition, as you can see. Beauty. Brand spanker. I'll give it you 200 quid cash. Make sure taxman don't find out. Oh, sorry, man. I just stood in your car.
What you ready for the dog mount?
Dog mount?
Yeah.
Dog ate it. What dog mount? Did you give me the dog mount? Computer says no. You hear that? Very good. Couple of races past. Look at that. Slamming my doors like it's his dad's car. The guy does. कुत्ता हमेशा कुत्ता ही होना है. So guys, to get this engine out, there's a little shaft that goes on the side of the gearbox. Bakr, can you kindly point to it?
This one here, man.
This one here.
Yeah, you need a 10mm bolt.
1 second. So we've been struggling to get the engine out, but we've checked.
So you need a 10mm bolt. It goes inside there.
Yep.
And then once it's inside, you can pull it out.
This shaft comes out, and hopefully now, touch wood, the engine should come out, because we've been struggling with this engine for about an hour now, just over a shaft, because Bakr likes shafts. So we ready to take it out?
That's it, lad. Give it another go. If not, scrap the car.
Yeah, true.
Say goodbye to it.
There's that as well.
This one,
That's over there. There we go. Engine's out.
what's up there?
Wait, there's a fork stuck now. Huh? In the drive shaft one.
On the drive shaft.
No, in the fuse box one.
I want to see you inside.
Engine's apart now.
Or sister something.
It's going to be stuck on the other side bolt now, innit? You know the engine pin. Check the other side pin.
Well, raise it up.
Raise it up, raise it up.
There. Raise it a bit more.
It's stuck in the pin. Hold that. It's stuck on that pin on that side. Push the engine, you need to turn the engine this way.
There you go.
Lovely.
That's how you take an engine out.
1 second, 1 second. Now we need. Go on, do something out there.
You hold it on that side.
I think we've extended this a bit too much, innit?
One sec. Stop. There you go.
Keep pumping it. Keep pumping it, keep pumping it.
Pump it.
Yeah. Lower it slowly, please. Now lower it. Now let me lower it. Where's the tire?
Be alright, yeah. check the engine apart. Let's see what's wrong with it.
Look all this space in here, lad. You can put a LS in there. LS swap.
Come get these.
LS swapped. Nah, get some father money to LS swap it, bro. Straight LS in there, mate. V8, 6.5 litre. Start in the morning. All your arms gonna be shaking, bro.
Abby, what do you think you should go in there?
Hey, 20 lad.
What's that?
On the best engine built. Did he grab that?
And the Scooby is Scoobying, you know. Look at it. Look at it. She even looks good with that engine. What do you mean, Superman, in the car? There's no fucking engine left in here. What's it going to be sat on?
On your old man. You're hooligan. You're wrongin'.
This won't fit. It's a bit curved, isn't it, though?
No.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry,
Really?
don't worry, don't worry, man. I've took the whole engine out. Are you telling
Shut
me I can't
the
take
fuck
it?
up.
Are you telling me I can't
If it
take a
wasn't
clutch
for me,
out?
you wouldn't even take the engine out, man.
Oh,
You
God.
lot was scared.
Oh, cuz. I took the whole engine out. You saying I can't take the clutch off now? You know
Alright,
what it is, guys?
no, what I was thinking, yeah, this next YouTube channel, yeah, YouTube video, yeah, is gonna be him stripping the whole engine apart and rebuilding it
Yeah.
and getting underneath the car.
No, not the underneath
Yeah.
bit.
I
Take
ain't
the
doing it no
underneath bit
more.
out. He's the underneath her.
No, no,
There you are.
Not
You're the
no more.
underneath her.
I don't do it no more now.
You're the neath her.
So do it now, do it.
Alright, guys, a little quick tip. If you're going to use your clutch again, what you do is you take the clutch off in a star angle. He's just going to zap around it, which we don't want. So what you do is you do like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Look at the outlet of the clutch though, how you gonna
well,
reuse
obviously, look
that?
how much rain has gone through. Look at the outlet of the gearbox.
Also seized the gearbox not mad.
You know why I say seized? Because your
Your
toothbrush.
brain. Tell you, it's hard to teach these lot, man. It's still at the young ages yet, young stages, old boy. They don't know shit about cars, they can't work on them, man. Telling them that, do it properly.
What's you crying about?
You're saying you're too young to take an engine out.
No,
It is.
I'm too old for manual labour, bro. These were the clutch bolts. We got these right. Clutch! Clutch! This is the clutch. Clutch bolt.
No.
Now what it's time to do. So we've just made it to our little container unit. Had to get a taxi up with the engine in it. All the engine bits including, because it's started to rain, so thought we'd get it all out. Get it all cracking, get it all sorted, get it in the unit, nice and dry. We're going to ship this engine back to Japan because it's a bag of shit with a container ready for it.
That's why they say don't buy Subarus, buy Hondas.
That's why they say don't buy Japanese cars because they're all bag of wonks.
Listen,
Especially the Hondas. Especially the Hondas.
Subarus, they're just known for blowing up.
Where's your engine?
The man got blown up though, isn't it? I just took it apart.
Why did you put it in there?
I didn't want to.
And
I
they
was like,
do.
"Could you rebuild it?"
Condensation.
Exactly. You had fucking cum juice all over it. Right guys, that's the end of part 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget, stay tuned for part 3.